The craft of involves creating buildings, structures, and sculpture using stone from the earth. A. Brick masonry. B. Cement masonry. C. Sculpture masonry. D. Stone masonry. The correct answer is stone masonry. As a tree grows, lower branches often die and their bases may become overgrown and enclosed by subsequent layers of trunk wood, forming a type of imperfection known as an excreta. A. False. B. True. C. D. The correct answer is false. Our workshop based and specialize in working the stones into the shapes required by a building's design. This set out on templates and a bed mold. A. Fixer mason. B. Advanced mason. C. Stone mason. D. Banker masons. The correct answer is banker masons. All bricks in this bond are headers, but for the lap generating 0.75 bat which offsets each successive course by half a header, this bond is called A. Flemish stretcher bond. B. Stretcher or running bond. C. Header bond. D. Raking stretcher bond. The correct answer is header bond. D is used for the application of the mortar between and around the stones as they are set into place. A. Hammer. B. Tray. C. Chisel. D. Masonry trowel. The correct answer is masonry trowel. There are two main types of sedimentary stone used in masonry work: limestone and A. Limestone. B. Gravel. C. Sandstones. D. Marble. The correct answer is sandstones. Is used as a protective and decorative covering for interior or exterior walls and surfaces. A. Plaster. B. Stone veneer. C. Paint. D. Putty. The correct answer is stone veneer. Specialize in the fixing of stones onto buildings using lifting tackle and traditional lime mortars and grouts. A. Rigid masons. B. Raw masons. C. Fixer masons. D. Head mason. The correct answer is fixer masons. Is wood that as a result of a naturally occurring chemical transformation has become more resistant to decay. A. Sapwood. B. Knot. C. Bark. D. Heartwood. The correct answer is heartwood. Which type of bond is shown in the below figure? A. Single basket weave bond. B. Double basket weave bond. C. Herringbone bond. D. Della Robbia bond. The correct answer is double basket weave bond. The basic tools for shaping the stone are a mallet and a metal straight edge. A. Trowel. B. Knife. C. Chisels. D. Ruler. The correct answer is chisels. English garden wall bond course of headers bond has 3 courses of stretchers between every course of stretcher. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Glued engineered wood products are manufactured by bonding together wood strands, veneers, lumber. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Stone walls are usually made of local materials varying from limestone and flint to granite and sandstone. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Is very hard wood and has a dark reddish brown color. It is fragrant and close-grained. It is hard to work and takes high polish. Used in musical instruments, piano cases, tool handles, art projects, veneers, and furniture. A. Walnut. B. Sandalwood. C. Mahogany. D. Rosewood. The correct answer is rosewood.